Let's move on to next exercises which are related to grammar portion. So first grammatical topic is of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense में क्या होता है, आपने helping verb had use करना होता है और उसके साथ third form of verb use करना है. So the question is, fill in the blanks with past perfect tense. In the case of questions, use the indicated subject. So let's see. First is they dash eat before he arrived. So इसमें हम लिखेंगे they had eaten before he arrived. Second is what dash you do that upset him so much. What had you done that upset him so much? Third is Ali dash not do the gardening before it started raining. Ali had not done the gardening before it started raining. Fourth is we dash eat already so we weren't hungry. We had already eaten so we weren't hungry. Fifth is dash Tahira choose the color for her room before she was asked to paint it black. So ये question है, helping verb पहले आ जाएगा had, then subject Tahira chosen the color for her room before she was asked to paint it black. So next grammatical topic is of another tense which is past perfect continuous. इसका form देख लेते हैं. पहले आएगा subject, फिर had, फिर been, फिर verb. Verb कौन सा आएगा? ing form verb, continuous form of verb आएगा, जैसे कि नाम से पता चल रहा है past perfect continuous. Perfect में हम have, has, had use करते हैं, continuous में ing form of verb use करते हैं. So it's the amalgamation of both the tenses. Use इसका क्या है? The past perfect continuous is used to talk about actions or situations that were in progress before some other actions or situations. There are also other uses. वो क्या है? First is duration of a past action up to a certain point in the past. Second is showing cause of an action or situation. Third is third conditional sentences. Fourth is reported speech. अगर question form में आपने लिखना है तो आप simple क्या करोगे? had जो हमारे पास helping verb है उसको शुरू में ले आओगे, then आपका subject आएगा, then been आएगा, then आपका continuous form of verb आएगा. और negative में अगर आपने sentence लिखना है, पहले subject आएगा, फिर had आएगा, फिर not, फिर been. मतलब not जो है वो had और been के बीच में sandwich होगा and then end में आपका continuous form of verb आएगा which is ing form of verb. और जब भी past perfect continuous या present perfect continuous tenses की जहाँ पे भी बात आएगी वहाँ point of time और period of time की बात ज़रूर होगी, which means since और for की बात होगी. Since use होता है point of time के लिए जहाँ पे हमें स्पेसिफिक टाइम मखसूस टाइम पता होता है. फॉर यूज़ होता है पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए. ठीक है, अगर हम स्पेसिफिक दिनों के नाम लें, मंथ्स के नाम लें, आवर्स के नाम लें लाइक 7 o'clock, 5:30, 6:30, तो इनके लिए हम सिंस यूज़ करेंगे. इफ़ विल सिंपली से आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन दिस या आई हैड बीन वर्किंग ऑन दिस फॉर 2 hours, तो हम कौन से 2 hours की बात कर रहे हैं हमें पर्टिकुलरली नहीं पता है, सो उसके लिए हम फॉर यूज़ करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. Let's move on to its exercise, which is fill in the blanks with the past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense, whichever appropriate. Past perfect continuous जो अभी समझाया है और past perfect जो है उसमें हम had के साथ simple third form of verb use करेंगे. So let's see. First is they dash not complete their homework on time. So इसमें हमें कोई time limit नहीं नज़र आ रही है, तो we'll simply write they had not completed their work on time. Second is I dash read for hours when my eyes began to hurt. I had been reading for hours because 4 hours हमारे पास ये time limit आई है. Third is Samreen dash read 5 stories by the end of the week. Samreen had read 5 stories by the end of the week. Fourth is they dash try to contact their parents for days when they finally succeeded. They had been trying to contact their parents for days. अब फिर इसमें 4 days हमारे पास time limit आ रही है. That's why we're using past perfect continuous tense. Fifth is she dash looked for a car for months when she found one. She had been looking for a car for months when she found one. Again, for months. There is a time limit. Let's move on to next grammatical question, which is change the narration of the following. मतलब हमें direct speech दी गई है और उसको हमने indirect speech में लिखना है. So first is she said. आप इसका लिख लोगे she said या she told. ठीक है? And remove the commas. She told that. Commas की जगह that आ गया. Her class fellows were visiting her. Second is he said, what is the time? He asked what the time was. Third is he tells his son, opportunity knocks but once. जो sayings होती हैं उनको हम as it is रखते हैं और factual information को भी as it is ही रखेंगे. So he tells his son को हम करेंगे he advised his son that opportunity knocks but once. Fourth is he asked the servant, where did you leave my glasses? So he asked कर देंगे या inquired कर देंगे. He asked the servant that where he had left his glasses. Fifth is he said keep quiet. He ordered to keep quiet. Sixth is she said don't waste your time. She advised us not to waste our time. या आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो she forbade मतलब मना करना. Forbade us to waste our time. Seventh is she explained my friends and I are here to help you. She explained that her friends and she were there to help me. Next grammatical question is of active and passive voices. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? Change the following into active voice. Passive voices दी गई हैं, इनको active में change करना है. So the first is the novel Great Expectations was written by Charles Dickens. तो इसका हम इस तरीके से करेंगे. Subject object हो जाएगा, object subject हो जाएगा. Charles Dickens wrote the novel Great Expectations. Second is he was brought up by his sister. So इसका हो जाएगा his sister brought him up. Third is the man was recaptured by soldiers and taken away. Soldiers recaptured and took away the man. Fourth is he was still wanted by the police in England. The police in England still wanted him. Fifth is he was caught by the police. The police caught him. Sixth is he was sentenced to death by the judge. The judge sentenced him to death. Thank you. With this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be meeting with some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor, signing out.